Hello and welcome to the second video of the Introduction to C Programming video series. In this video, we will learn how to install Codeblocks. We will use Codeblocks to write all of our C programs. So let's get started. Open Google and go to the Codeblocks page. Now head over to the download section. Click on download binary release. Now select your OS version and click on Codeblocks 20.03 Ming W setup XCE and click on the SourceForge Net option. You will be redirected to another page. Wait for a while till your installation file starts to download. Now as you can see that the installation file has started to download. Now we have to wait for a while. So as you can see that the installation file is downloaded. Now click on it. In the Codeblocks installation wizard, click on Next, agree to the terms and conditions, click on Next, select the destination folder and click on Install. Now your Codeblocks will be installed shortly. Wait for a while. Now as you can see that the installation is complete, so click on Next, Finish. Now go to your desktop and you can see that the Codeblocks shortcut is added to your desktop. So click on it and the Codeblocks will be open. In the pop-up, just click on Yes, associate Codeblocks with C or C++ file, which means that any C or C++ file will be executed using the Codeblocks. So now the Codeblocks is ready and you can type your C programming codes here. That's all for this video. Thank you for your patient listening. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for further videos on this course. Thank you.